What are they? Thomas slippers. That's right. You want to put them on your feet? Want to put them on? These are the ones you picked out. I asked you if you wanted fire trucks or Thomas, and you said Thomas. Here we go. You have slippers like Mama has slippers. Only you can wear these. You want to walk in them? Oh, you got it on there, Mom. Is there paper or something in there?
No, that might be.
Do they come off really easily?
Thanks, Tim.
Let me do it.